हे दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो इस वीडियो में हम जानने वाले हैं 8 हैबिट्स दैट डैमेज योर ब्रेन। सो कीप वाचिंग द वीडियो। नंबर 1, मिसिंग ब्रेकफास्ट। Skipping breakfast prevents your brain from getting adequate nutrients. It also sets the brain up to make poor food choices later in the day. This leads to an insufficient supply of nutrients to the brain, causing brain degeneration. Number 2, lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation has several effects on your brain. According to a study, a lack of sleep can cause damage of the brain and result in early memory loss. Sleep is crucial to keeping your brain healthy and fit. Even a single night of improper sleep can affect your brain's ability to memorize new information. Number 3, smoking. The average smoker isn't aware just how damaging it is to brain health. It causes multiple brain shrinkage and may lead to Alzheimer's disease. Number 4, excess sugar intake. Sugar is one of the most dangerous ingredients we all know. This can result in obesity, poor brain function, and poor health. Too much sugar will interrupt the absorption of proteins and nutrients and may interfere with brain development. Number 5, sedentary lifestyle. Inactive lifestyle have been linked to diseases such as diabetes and heart diseases, which in turn have been directly linked to the degenerative brain diseases. You must go out every single day at least to get some fresh air, at least go for a walk. The more active you are, the more stimulated your brain is. Also, you can read more to keep your brain educated. Number 6, not drinking enough water. As we all know, almost 80% of the brain is water. Brain needs enough water to think faster and focus better. So it's very important that you must stay hydrated all the time. Number 7, covering your head during sleep. Sleeping with a blanket covered over your head might increase the consumption of carbon dioxide and reduce the consumption of oxygen. Oxygen is very essential for proper functioning of your brain, and not having enough of it can harm your brain cells. Number 8, eating too much junk food. Parts of the brain linked to learning, memory, and mental health are smaller in people who have lots of hamburgers, fries, potato chips, and soft drinks in their diet. So grab a handful of nuts instead. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And finally, thanks for watching.